See, we're working on chapter 4 here, more about relationships between two variables. Basically, we're going to kind of continue on some of the things we worked with chapter 3. We've got 3 sections in chapter 4. One deals with transforming to achieve linearity. Section 4.2 is about categorical variables and how they relate to each other. And section 4.3 is, well, just how do you establish causation? For chapter 4, the overall objectives we've got are identify settings in which a transformation might be necessary in order to achieve linearity. Use transformations. So we're going to be working with powers and logarithms. What is a two-way table? How do we describe it? What is Simpson's paradox? What's the best evidence for causation? And explain the criteria for establishing causation. For section 4.1, the specific objectives here, there's 9 in total. Explains what is meant by transforming data and discuss the advantages of transforming nonlinear data. This is kind of a subcategory in your reading here. As you go through, we do practice. These are supported pages 256 to 267. And some of the book problems that we're going to do that support these first two would be 1 through 4. The next couple here, tell where y equals log of x fits into the hierarchy of power transformations. Explain the ladder of power transformations. Explain how linear growth differs from exponential growth. Identifying real-life situations when we would transform data and using actual logarithmic transformations. These are supported on pages 267 through 280. And the book problems that we're going to use to help us out for this one will be numbers 5 through 10. That's a second subcategory of section 4.1. And the last subcategory of section 4.1, these objectives correspond to identifying situations in which a transformation is required, and use a transformation to actually linearize data. The pages that correspond to this are 280 to 288, and the problem numbers in your book that help this out are 11 through 14.